ठीक है सर.
Hello everyone. Today I have the honor of introducing to you proud Damsonians who have done very well in the FMG December 2021 exam. This is a very difficult exam that is given by students who graduate abroad, and when they come back to India they have to give this exam. And in this series now I have with me Dr. Komal. She has a score of 158 in this FMG exam, and she has passed this difficult exam in her first attempt. So Komal, tell me, how are you feeling after the results, and what is your feeling right now?
Sir, soon after seeing my result, I was disappointed actually because I was expecting 200 and it was just 158. But later I had a sense of satisfaction also. Okay, chalo, at least I have saved my time. So for now I have mixed feelings. Maybe it will take 2 days to for me to be normal.
But I think, beta, what I feel is that if you pass this exam in first attempt, it should be all happiness and relief. I think, there's no need to have mixed feeling right now.
Yes, sir, I understand.
How was your exam like? Tell me, like, how did the exam go, and were you expecting more marks? And tell us more about it.
Sir, I was expecting more marks because I have started my preparation early during my second year of my academics, and exam wasn't that what I expected. It was surely moderate, I would say. And personally, for me, I felt paper one was difficult, moderately easy, and paper two was easy.
Okay.
So, and according to subjects, I would say all subjects were overlapping with each other. Like we can't say like this subject will be asked in paper one and this subject will be asked in paper two. There wasn't like that. All both papers were mixed with both all the subjects.
I think that is true, and I have seen last 2 3 FMG papers that even when you are giving your paper one, which is the basic sciences paper, it seems as if you are doing a clinically integrated clinical vignette kind of a thing where the clinical relevant thing is being asked. I think that is the pattern which is going to stay in the next FMG exam also. Integration is the very important word, and I think all the future aspirants should not think that in this part only this will be asked, on this part only this will be asked. That might be a wrong planning. So Komal, tell me about your dams journey. When did you join dams, and and also tell me first, like, where did you graduate from and where did you join dams?
Sir, I have graduated from Kyrgyz State Medical Academy, Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, and I connected to the dams in my third year itself. And the name dams itself gives me the nostalgia because I remember going to the dams classes in that freezing cold, sometimes -10, sometimes -15. That too after the hectic academic classes. At that time, I felt like maybe I'm being rude to myself and I still have a time and I can slow down. But now after passing in first attempt and seeing the happy faces of my parents, I'm feeling like it was totally worth it. And I'm lucky that I got DAMS guidance early in my academics because at that time I needed it more because I was totally blank what to study, from where to study. And when dams came, it clearly gave the idea what preparation strategy I have to apply and all that stuff, sir. And all that subject which I studied from dams are really, I studied that really good. That notes I was just reading that notes again and again, nothing else.
No, I would like to add here that it was even difficult for our teachers also at those freezing temperatures to, travel and teach. But everybody rose to the occasion, and this was like before the COVID came in, and we had to stop the classes because of the COVID. Otherwise, we have had brilliant results from the Bishkek Center of dams, and we are
Yes,
hoping
sir.
that post COVID things should become better. But today with the new variant, again the things are, regarding international travel are, again doubtful. So
Yes,
Komal, I
sir.
also want to know from you, like, one thing that you mentioned, and I think it's very relevant. When you were studying at that time, you felt that maybe I'm working too hard. But now that when you realize that you have passed in first attempt, and that entire trauma of repeating the exam and doing it again, you have saved yourself a lot of trauma and given a lot of joy to your parents. Do you want
Yes,
to
sir,
advise something
definitely.
to future aspirants regarding working hard early on?
Yes, sir, definitely. I will suggest the earlier you start, the better you will go further, because starting early will always help. And whatever you are reading during your academics, read it carefully, read it in detail, not like just passing that class only. Read it in detail. That thing will come in inside, not nothing else. Because concepts matters the most. You can't cover the all 19 subject in one year or 6 months. So better to start early.
And definitely, one thing I want to tell to all future aspirants also, when you start early, you are fresh in mind and you have not had any, defeat in your, kitty. So you are very optimistic about everything. But once you give the exam half-heartedly and you don't do well, then you start having that self-doubt and regrets. And that second attempt, third attempt becomes very difficult to do. And you have to actually motivate yourself a lot to do the repeat and improve yourself. So the best strategy for FMG exam is starting early. Starting early, be you utilize the help of mentors, study with them, and make your own notes. Try to understand things. So Komal, talking about understanding and memory, you have given this year's exam. Do you think that the choices in this paper were confusing? So if you have not understood clearly, you will make a silly mistake. So how did you tackle
Yes.
that kind of paper?
Actually, sir, options were too confusing that no one can answer correctly in just first read. I was reading one question twice and then answering it, and it took too much of my time. So I couldn't manage my time that well. But at least I could attempt all the questions. And whatever questions I had doubt about, I could just review it. Means I couldn't give more time to that questions. So I would suggest to all my juniors like practice your time management, because it will help at the end, because time management is important. And I personally feel if I could get enough time, I could score even better. And
And
in
maybe this could be a learning experience for you for your next, for your NEET PG exam or the next exam that you might give in future, that
yes, sir,
the
definitely.
points where you need to work on. You need to work on more on your time management so that you can read the choices even better. I think that's a very
Yes, yes.
valid point. And Komal, I want to know how many revisions were you able to do before the exam?
Sir, those subjects which I started early, which I started with dams, I could do it better. That subjects were perfect, but what mistakes I have done is I kept medicine and surgery to study at last, and when time was less, I couldn't complete it thoroughly. So what I did, I just read the high yielding stuff, and obviously, just reading the high yielding stuff won't help, right? We have to read everything about, means not everything, but hiding at least multiple times. I was just able to read it once or twice. So I just scored 35 to 40% marks in medicine and surgery, and that was my mistake. But I didn't skip any subject.
That's, I think, a very important thing, that she did not skip any subject. That even if she had less time, at least the high yielding stuff of that subject she had covered. And if you are unable to find out what is high yielding, I would suggest that you follow your class lectures or your class notes, or because I always tell students that suppose in a short subject like radiology, skin, if you have not done anything, at least listen to what the teacher has taught you and then make notes. At least that much, if you will be able to get some questions just out of your memory into the exam, and that will help you to get the passing marks. Do not leave any subject in your preparation. I think that's a very important message that Dr. Komal has given us. Komal, I also want to know from you, like, how did you manage your mindset in this entire journey? There would have been ups and downs, or there would have been self doubts. Tell me about the entire journey of the mindset as well.
Yes, sir. I would say mindset is important. Your attitude is important. What you say to yourself is important. I started my preparation with only one thought, that I will be clearing this exam in my first attempt. That was the only thought I had, and all other things then just happened around it. I wanted to clear it in first attempt. That was my mindset. And I saw your video discussing that 3 month strategy, ultimate strategy for FMG. In that video also you have mentioned that about mindset, and I was lucky that I had that mindset from my second year itself. So mindset is important, and keep positive mindset, positive attitude. Say give positive affirmation to yourself that you will go through this exam and you will clear it in first attempt with flying colors.
You
Stay
know,
positive and prepare.
definitely, and I want to add here that if you're a foreign medical graduate, one of the problems that you will face is you will face negativity around in the environment. Sometimes, you might have some relative who will tell something in your family that, FMG exam, the results are not good. Sometimes, you will have some friends who will say that, Arey, I know people who have not passed in 3 attempts. Why are you studying so much? Like when Dr. Komal was studying in DAMS Bishkek, some people would tell her that, why you are going in such cold weather? Why can't
Yes,
you relax in your
exactly.
room? Why, so all those things will happen. But you have to tell yourself that I have to keep moving forward, because if you stop because of these self doubts in the journey, you will create regret. And it is the easiest thing to do is to pass it in the first attempt, because if you miss out the first attempt, then you will have a element of self doubt creeping in because of the defeat. Because once you don't score well in the paper, you start doubting your own abilities also. And then what people will say will also amplify the self doubts. Everybody will tell you कि नहीं होता, तेरे को तो पहले ही बताया था, and you start doubting yourself. So the most important thing that I think we can learn from Dr. Komal's interview is कि start early, despite people telling you otherwise, keep going onwards and target to pass it in the first attempt itself. Then you will not feel the pain, and you will give immense happiness to your parents. Komal, tell me, how was your parents reaction when you told them the results?
Yes, sir. Obviously, they were very happy. Like they were saying, they already knew that I'm gonna pass in first attempt. Maybe because they saw me studying that much, so they were happy, and I'm more happy seeing them happy actually.
And I think, what I have seen over the years is that in FMG exam, the happiness that the parents have is actually more than even the candidate. I see them,
Yes,
many times crying on the, live videos, and they will say that, sir, बस यही सपना था कि बच्चा ये exam निकाल ले. Because here onwards, you will do a lot of things. You will do well in your NEET PG also. You will work hard. You might go abroad. You will do a lot of things, but they will be for you. This FMG exam you have also passed for your parents. And I think, it's that is the motivation. I think that, I see keep students asking for how to get motivated for to study for FMG. I always tell them, think about your parents. Automatically the motivation will come back. Think about the hard work that they are doing and how much hopes they have on your results, so automatically you will get motivated. So, Komal, any messages that you want to share today to your juniors in Bishkek, or to future aspirants who will be writing FMG exam in 2022? Any messages or anything you want to say to them?
yes, sir. I would say to all my fellow FMGs or to my juniors that if you have selected DAMS, you are already on right track. Just stick to it. Just stick to one source. Just don't go here and there, and keep revising your notes again and again, because your concepts and your notes, that's two things will help you in exam hall, nothing else. And start early, I would say, to those who are in first, second, or third year.
I think the key messages are coming out from Dr. Komal's mouth. Start early, everybody. Make notes in the classes, trust your teachers, do multiple revisions. I think success is actually simple, but sometimes we make it complicated. So it's very important to follow a simple strategy, but keep moving on. In between, you will see that when you start early, there will be elements where you will think कि छोड़ देते हैं यार, अभी जिंदगी जीते हैं, बाद में पढ़ लेंगे. But बाद में ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है. साथ साथ में कर दो, एमबीबीएस के साथ साथ में निकाल दो एफएमजी, पता भी नहीं चलता, बाद में ज्यादा मेहनत लगती है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द बिग थिंग. Komal, I am very, very proud of your achievement, and I want to congratulate you on behalf of the entire DAMS faculty team. I want to know, towards the end, any plans for future that you
Thank
already
you.
have? आगे क्या करना चाहते हैं?
Yes, sir. Actually, before receiving my certificate, I want to read your book, That Fire in the Belly. And I
I'll
will be honored to receive it from you.
definitely, I will,
Yes.
I'll make sure that you get all the books that I've written will be given to you as a prize because you have earned it.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I will read some books before receiving my certificate. Then I will start my internship along with my PG preparation.
And that is the right way to go
That's it
forward.
for 1 year.
That's the right
Yes,
way.
sir.
And after that, maybe any ideas beyond that also?
So for actually, I plan 1 year at a time.
That's good. Actually, that's the
So for
safe thing.
yes, sir.
Best of luck, beta. I am sure you will do very, very well in life. Stay positive. Keep also, you use this opportunity to introspect and find out, things that you did wrong in this paper, so that you can improve in the NEET PG exam also. Keep working on your MCQ skills, time management, so that you can improve in the next exam. I wish you all the best.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
I look forward to hearing your NEET PG results also. Do let me know,
Yes,
when
sir.
you reach there.
Thank you so much, sir.
Best of luck, beta.
I'm so humble and thankful.
Best of luck, beta. Best of luck.
Thank